We're playing all the new songs you want.
Why them want talk about me?
My God! My God!
We got swagger that sharper than razor. See the massive and tip and groove and it man no gonna real like a blazer. Better say you watch we be here. So give me that pump time African here. So give me that pump time African. Why them want talk about me? We got swagger that sharper than razor. See the massive and tip and groove and it man no gonna real like a blazer. Better say you watch we be here. So give me that pump time African flavor. So give me that draw right now.
Give me that.
Give me that funk and sound.
Give me that.
Give me that music loud.
Just give me that.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that draw right now.
Give me that.
Give me that.
Give me that. Give me that. See me, I'm an H-Town hustler, big money rustler, getting money and you know what, let me see your H's up. They can conversate with us, money's all that we discuss. Counting so much cheddar that I'm even used to paper cuts. Wonder why they hate on us, used to be they was dissing us. They heard about the hustle like a boom till they big it up. Boom, boom, shoot out, shoot out, come on. See Chita next class is Roki, no we bring it up.
Give me that draw right now.
Give me that.
Give me that funk and sound.
Give me that.
Give me that music loud.
Just give me that.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that draw right now.
Give me that.
Give me that funk and sound.
Give me that.
Give me that music loud.
Give me that. Give me that.
Just give me that. Give me that They got swagger that's black like spoon. Try to copy with dance style but look like fool. Until the girl them say boss guy take them back to school.
Lucky you, roll it, man.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy CJ. It's a bundle mixtape. Zindancehall.com. Sluggy you.